Good morning, wherever you are. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I was up this morning early, prepping for an event I have later on this afternoon. It's now after 6. I'm going for a quick walk and then back in the house to finish up what I have to do. And I'll take you along with me. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. And as always, I'll see you throughout this video and in the next video. Oh my goodness. After the walk, I came home, got some shut-eye, and then I continued cooking. I am almost finished. I want to leave the house by 3 to set up at the location and so I can relax a bit. I'm going to show you what I have prepared and what I am preparing. The Aito stew. I'm going to take you over to the pumpkin soup. This is, oh, it's foggy in the pumpkin soup. This is the pumpkin soup. Pumpkin soup, and I have the rice going here. Rice, pumpkin soup. That's not all, but when I get to the location, I'll show you everything. I can't believe I just look at the time and I was like, oh my, I haven't showed everything, but you know, let me show you what I have. I'm feeling better than I was this morning a couple days ago, so that's it. I'm almost finished. I need to be out of here by 3. I need to get the plates sorted out, the utensils as well, organize myself so when the car comes I can just get down and out. See you in a few. Leave the house. I'm gonna have a quick bite, which is a torta.
Arrachera torta.
Arrachera torta.
Torta de arrachera. Without cheese.
Torta de arrachera without cheese. I'm finished packing and wrapping. I just need to take the things to the location and finish cooking, and then we're set for 7. Ooh, you have your keys?
Yeah, I have my keys.
Okay. Ese es todos. Ooh. It's 10:59 and the place is now empty. It was good. Could have been better, but I'm grateful. People showed up and that's good. See you in the next video, and maybe I'll see you here next week Friday too, who knows. And as always, stay positive, think on possibilities,